Good morning, Flip Fam. How you doing? Let's talk about modern day stupidity. In science, there are some essential ingredients. Let's take it like that. Just a sec. You got, a thing called measurements, where you measure something. The globe people try to joke. Oh, how are we gonna measure curvature? Do we need one big ruler? Well, that's one way of measuring. But yes, in essence, a ruler represents direct measurement, just as a spirit level does, or, if you draw out a circle with a compass. But, or a right angle with a square. Those are direct measurement tools. Once you do measurements just on paper, you call them calculations. And calculations are not direct measurements, they are inferred measurements. Because you assume a value to a label, and then you calculate the assumed values, and you think that represents the outcome of reality. Well, it's just convoluted, especially when you can measure. But another thing is that, especially in the world we live in today, there are certain rules and conventions. Like, you have living matter and non-living matter, and you got dead matter. Living and dead matter have to do with biology. It's called life. When something, just a sec. When something is alive, it is animated. When something is dead, it was once alive, but it is no longer alive. You call that dead. Non-living or non-animated matter falls in the category of chemistry. Because they interact not on biological basis. When you have chemicals that interact with biological matter, it doesn't make the chemical dead. It hasn't been alive, so it's not dead matter. So people now have this idea that you can kill a chemical. You got to think about that. You can kill something that has not been animated or alive. Catch it? So how the fuck? That is your science today. That is your president speaking. That is your scientist blurting on TV. Those people are talking about killing something that is not and will not and has not been alive. And you swallow it. You suck it up. You drink that water, you know. How fucking insane are you? Chemistry is based on chemical reactions. Biological is biological reactions and chemical reactions. Because, you know, the living can interact with non-living. Well, we sure as hell cannot kill something that's already dead. Or that's not even capable of holding life. Well, good luck with figuring out in what fucked up world you live by doing some direct measurements. Maybe of life. Because sometimes I think that mush in people's head, which should be alive and teeming with energy and processes, is dead. Well, good luck, zombies. Because that's what this world has become. The zombie nation.